Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute little baby hat. At this point she was about 2 months old, and the one that she's wearing now with a pink bow fits someone who is about 6 months and going up. So I'm going to be sharing with you the measurements as we go along. These are the fabrics that I chose. I cut a 15.5 by 15.5 block of fabric. Then I also cut the same size for the lining. You can also use satin to protect the baby's hair. I now place the fabrics right sides facing each other, and then I folded them 2 times like that. Then I started to mark basically the longest measurement that you can get from that corner until you reach the other corner or the other end. Then I drew the line with a chalk. Then I cut away with my scissors. So when I open it up, I have this circular shape. Then I pinned it right round. Then I went on to sew this on the sewing machine. So you also need to leave a small gap to turn the fabric inside out. Then I used that small gap that I had left to turn it inside out. Then I pressed it flat with an iron to make sure the edges are nice and crisp. Then I also went to that part which was still open, and then I just folded the edges inside and ironed. Then I started to mark 2 inches from the edge. You can mark 2.5 to 1.5 inches from the edge, just going in to the fabric like that. Then after that, I now drew the line with a chalk. Then I marked 0.5 inches from the line that I had drawn before. Then I just used my free hand to draw a similar line. So when you stitch on the lines that you draw with the chalk, you only stitch the one on the inside, and on the one that is on the inside, also make sure to leave a small gap where you insert the elastic. Then I went on to stitch that on the sewing machine. And on the second line, I made sure to leave a small gap for inserting the elastic. Then I measured my elastic. So elastic will be the head circumference of the baby's head. Then you add 0.5 inches for the allowance. So mine was 16.5 inches. Then I used the safety pin to insert the elastic. Then I pin the elastic together so that it does not get lost inside the casing. I sewed the elastic, I joined the elastic and sewed it together. I closed the little gaps that I used to insert the elastic. So at that point, the head is almost done. With all my babies' heads, I always add a small piece of elastic to hold the head. Otherwise, if I don't put an elastic, within like 2 minutes, the head will be gone. The head will literally fall off. So I normally make my small elastics about 11.5 inches. And I attached the elastic. I also added this cute little bow. So there are the two heads. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.